To fix an Eero flashing yellow, start by understanding what the light indicates. The yellow light on your Eero device typically signifies a problem with the internet connection. It could be an issue with the modem, the Eero itself, or the connection to the Eero network. First, restart your Eero device. This is often the simplest solution to resolve connectivity issues. Unplug the power cord from the back of the Eero. Wait for about 30 seconds. And then plug it back in. This will reboot the system and may resolve the issue. If the yellow light persists, check your internet service provider for any outages in your area. Sometimes, the issue may not be with your Eero but with the internet service itself. You can do this by visiting your provider's website or contacting their customer support. Next, ensure your Eero is properly connected to your modem. Verify that all cables are securely plugged in and that your modem is functioning correctly. Try restarting your modem as well, as this can often resolve connectivity issues. If you are still experiencing issues, try resetting your Eero network. You can do this through the Eero app on your smartphone. Open the app, go to Settings, and look for the option to reset the network. This will restore your Eero to its default settings. Another step is to check for firmware updates. The Eero app will typically notify you if an update is available. Keeping your Eero up to date can resolve connectivity issues and improve performance. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be worth contacting Eero support directly. They can provide more specific guidance and help troubleshoot the problem. Remember to have your Eero's serial number and details about your network setup ready when you contact support. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Eero flashing yellow light and get your internet connection up and running smoothly. Remember to always check the basics first, such as the power and internet connections, before moving on to more complex troubleshooting steps.